Okay, My Girlfriend Brooke is gonna play White Noise on Xbox. Press start.
Okay. How long does the flashlight last?
Forever, I guess.
You can't turn it faster?
No. Well, you hold the left trigger down, you can sprint.
I'm not sprinting.
The left trigger, baby, it's not like Halo. The trigger right here.
Oh. No, I don't want to do that because I can't see. Okay, there's nothing there.
Well, go in there.
Yeah. Are they like on the wall?
They're anywhere.
Are they on the ground? Huh?
No, I don't think so.
What the hell, is he close to me?
I don't know.
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Timothy.
I think it's one of the recording things. Look around on the walls of the building. You're close to a recording thing. Go outside the building and look around on the walls.
Are they on the floor anywhere?
No, I don't think so.
How far up the wall do I look?
Not very far. Just walk around the building.
Oh, there's one.
You got one? Very first one. 8 more.
No, 7 more.
No what?
7 more.
Oh, well, yeah. Whatever.
Does it make that staticky noise when he's around?
Yes, it does. Do you not like that?
No. Why is he coughing?
I don't know.
What the hell's with the flashlight?
Just walk.
What the hell? What the hell?
Maybe you're going out of the game. Turn around. Go the other way.
That's where I came from, though. Why is it going down?
I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, shit. Go, dude, go! Forget the fucking flashlight, go!
Brooke, I don't need it.
I'm going. Oh my god. Where is he?
Where's he at? Turn your light. Push X. Turn your light back on.
It is on.
Oh, okay.
Where'd he go?
Where'd he go?
Oh, he's gone.
He's gone. It's alright.
Babe, I want to die.
Why? No, you gotta try to find them, baby.
I don't know where they are.
You can't just take the easy way out.
I don't know where to go. Why isn't my flashlight working?
It is. It's not very good. The batteries are going dead, I guess. I don't know. It's a little peewee flashlight.
I told you I did not want to play this game.
Oh, it's no big deal.
I'm gonna freak out.
Hey, at least the lights are on.
Where do I go?
You can run fast, baby. Just hold the trigger down.
What is this?
Look the other way. Look behind you.
No.